Conley-Leach-Tomlin house, circa 1880 and 1920. Built in the vernacular style, remodeled in the craftsman bungalow style. This house was built in the 19th century, probably by Patrick Conley, who owned the lot from 1867. It was built as a traditional gabled two-story house prevalent here throughout the 19th century. This house, or one of similar footprint and location, is shown in the Lake Atlas of 1886, 13 years before the Conleys sold the house to Arthur and Virginia Logan. In 1922, Catherine Norris inherited this house from her mother, Anna Beard Murphy. About that time, indicated by more than a tripling of its value, the house was dramatically remodeled, apparently by either the Murphys or the Norrises, in the craftsman bungalow style popular at that time. Although some details of this house could be found as early as 1900. The type of brick used is one more often found in the 1920s. Elements of the craftsman bungalow style found on this house include the shape and exposed rafter tails, the gently sloping and bracketed porch roof, the broad front terrace, and the mixture of brick and stucco to give interest to the chimney and highlight the craftsmanship of the mason. Frank E. and Flora V. Badger owned the property from about 1950 until it was sold to Kermit A. and Beulah M. Leach in 1977. In 1994, the house passed to James and Suzette Leach Tomlin. The Leach and Tomlin era represents the longest continuous family ownership of this house. Mrs. Tomlin has expanded the gardens with a Victorian flair, inspired by the gardens of German Village in Columbus, Ohio. Today, the lot includes a 16-foot strip of land along the northern border on which was once located the small two-story home of Cecilia Conley. The Conleys had deeded this land separately when they sold the main house and lot in 1899. The house sat a considerable distance back from the street and has long since been removed.